What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another portfolio update. So, wow, we've had such a good week in the stock market. If we look at the S&P 500 over the last week, we're nearly up 3%. So, yeah, pretty good week. However, Tesla has just been pretty flat on the week. We're down 2.28%. 2.28%. Yeah, it skyrocketed just because of amazing news coming out of China. But then we've just had a sell off coming after it. So, yeah, now I'm up 50.90%. Same with IRN, it's had a bit of a sell off, so now I'm only up 14.49%. Robinhood is, it's pretty flat on the week, um, still down 22.42%. And then one of my new positions, Nebius, had an absolute crazy week. They absolutely just smashed earnings. So yeah, I wish I had more, a larger position in Nebius, but yeah, I'm up 28.97%. So yeah, what does that mean for my portfolio? Well, it's pretty much stayed exactly the same. If we go over to my portfolio, I'm down £302 over the last week, down 0.1%. We did hit a new portfolio all-time high of 167,000. I think we actually crossed 170,000 at one point. Yeah, we briefly crossed 170,000. So we did hit new portfolio all-time highs in this week. But yeah, as you know, it just had a sell-off after the amazing news in China. We also had some new news, kind of a leak from Panasonic, one of Tesla's partners, that they've had to massively increase their battery manufacturing because Tesla's demand for cars has skyrocketed. Obviously, that's mainly going to be due to the people worried about the fuel prices and oil prices with the war. So people are going back to electric cars, which is good and bad. Obviously, would want the war to be over sooner, but it seems that Trump speaking to Xi and trying to get him on his side, and trying to put pressure that way well, hopefully might work. But yes, anyway, I've got 495 shares of Tesla. Got £155,000, up 50.9%. 95 IRN, up 14.49. 20 Robinhood, down 22.42%, and 3 Nebius, up 28.97%. Yeah, I got £6,000 of my stocks and shares ISA allowance left this year. Kind of the plans for it: get 5 more shares of Tesla, get a nice round number of 500. Same with IRN, get a nice round number of 100 shares. And I'm not too sure. I was thinking of buying some more Nebius, but it's had such a run, just over the past month. 30% in the past month. 122% in the past 3 months. So I'm really gonna have to go back, make a valuation model on what I think the future of the company will be like. I know I've seen so many people throw out price targets of, if Nebius was IPO kind of like SpaceX is IPO that in this current environment with the whole AI boom, that it would be valued around 200 billion, and it's around 50 billion now, which I don't heavily disagree with. I do think that IPO prices are massively inflated. If I look at SpaceX's 1.75 trillion, I definitely think it's $1 trillion company, but is it 1.75? Maybe 1.25 at a push. And I think they know that it's a high valuation because they're doing all sort of things to make sure the stock price doesn't just tank after IPO by like putting a lower float amount, getting added to indexes straight away. So SpaceX is trying to do all of these things so the stock price doesn't just automatically. Obviously, it all rally was everyone buying in, but in my opinion, it's either going to have a trade sideways for 5 years like Tesla has, or it's going to just completely fall off a cliff, and the IPO go from like 1.75 down to probably about $1 trillion valuation. But obviously you have to wait and see for the IPO. Obviously if SpaceX does do badly, it's good for me, just because when Tesla and SpaceX eventually merge, the amount of ownership in the new merged company will be more if Tesla's valuation is higher comparatively to SpaceX. But it seems that Elon's doing everything he can to not make that the case. So yeah, quickly go to asset allocation. Yeah, up to 96.65% Tesla, 2.33 in IRN, 0.72 in Robinhood, and 0.3% in Nebis. Yeah, current value of 160,000. If you look on the 3 month, I'm up 4.1% for £6,000. Year to date, I'm down. I was positive on the year to date when we crossed 170,000. But yeah, we've fallen back down, so I'm no longer positive on the year to date. On the 1 year, I'm up 21.9%. And then on the max, up £47,000, 107.9%. So if you guys are interested in any sort of valuation price targets from the stocks I hold, please let me know down below. If there's any other videos you guys want me to record, there will be house videos coming. Not soon because we're still in the contract stage. But yeah, once I do get the house, I will be documenting like refurb projects for the house, and just what I'm doing with that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please make sure to like, subscribe, and just share with anyone who might be interested. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.